This video is going to show how teachers and professors can utilize free YouTube platform to deliver your teaching content online. So this video is going to be the first one of a mini-series that explains how I use YouTube to deliver high-quality teaching material for my students. If you are a professor that is watching this video, or if you are a teacher in general, want to know how I personally use YouTube to do teaching, please subscribe to my channel and you'll get more updates. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And so by this time, I think a lot of us are either not working or working from home because of the COVID-19 pandemic. Now, as a lot of schools have already closed or is going to close in UK as well, starting this Friday, right? So pretty much all the teachers and professor has to work from home. Now we have to do meetings online and we have to deliver our content online. Now it's a little bit different for if you are a teacher that are doing early kids education. So what I am going to show you in this video is as a college professor or university professor, how would you use the YouTube platform to create your content that is uniquely appealing to students. At least I think that is uniquely appealing. All right, so let's go to the details. Okay. Alright, so here we are looking at my other channel that is more dedicated for hardcore material. So this is Dr. Horn's lecture review channel. I have a motto, watching for success, and same DR2H logo that is for me. Alright, so here is my other channel, and this channel was originally created for just delivering some review material, okay, short 5-minute, 6-minute type of a review material. But since of the pandemic started, and all the schools are closing, and I started using this YouTube as a platform to deliver my regular lectures, and as well as share some of my personal life with my students. I think getting in touch with the student, that is very important, especially during this time where you don't see them at all for 3 to 6 weeks. Okay, who knows what's gonna happen in the upcoming weeks, right? So I understand there are a lot of university have different type of platform that provide lecture recording or PowerPoint recording. What I like about no, those are fine, right? Of course. But what special about YouTube is that it really gives me the flexibility to share content very freely, and students will be able to watch on their phone, okay, anytime, anywhere they want. Right? There are other reasons to that, and I'll get into it once we start talking about some of the features. Right, so for those of you that are not familiar with YouTube, those of the professors perhaps is watching this, you really need to sign up an account, okay, and start creating you can start creating your video uploading right away. The way is to go into your YouTube studio. Okay. My internet, it's a little bit hiccup right now. Alright, so very easy. The first thing to do is to create a video, upload a video, and you can do by clicking this button, arrow button, upload video, or you can click create, upload video, and you can just drag your video file into this uploading area, and it will finish uploading depending on your internet speed. Now, once that step is done, you can go to your video screen on the left hand side tab, and let's look at one of the video that I created 2 days ago, okay, about 2-3 days ago, depending on March 17th of 2020. Now you can put down your title of your video as well as some brief descriptions and some of the hashtag for it. And you can also customize a thumbnail for your YouTube. Now, thumbnail, it's very important. It is what gets your students' attention in the at the first place, okay? You need to create something that is so unique that grab their attentions. Let's click in, okay? Let's click in right away. You want them to watch it right away, whenever and wherever they could, okay? Now there are other settings in terms of the restrictions and all these. Now depending on what grade you're teaching, okay, this content is definitely not for kid at all, okay? They are for college age student, okay? And you can put down some tag to search, okay? Now dive into this video setup is you should go into this end screen, okay? Now end screen provides you a feature where you can compile all the related video in a particular topic together, so that the student can go back and and in a playlist format where they can look at all of them or review all of them. Again, very easy access, in my opinion, way much easier than having a link on your learning platform that your school use and click it through front and back, and I think that's very clumsy in my opinion, okay? And another feature that I like about YouTube is having this card function. Right, so I pop up to another screen. What card function is that? Okay, that's me. I have stopped what I is to either creating a video playlist so you can promote your other content that you are teaching your students, okay, and channels. I don't use that for really my content. What I liked most is this poll functions, okay? Poll functions. You can create polls where you can type in some assessment questions and like multiple choices answers, and where they can answer it after they watch a period time of your video. And the way I set up my video, what happened is that usually toward the end of my video, I have a who want to be a millionaire type of a style multiple choice for my student to answer. And at that point, I inserted my pool. Okay, it will come up here, pool element, and the students can click this exclamations or I think it's I anyway, where they can choose the answers that they would like to choose, okay? And then correspond with the answer that you are giving to them. All right, so this is a very handy functions in my opinion. So that is the card functions. Now, what is beyond this card function is analytics. Analytics is something that is kind of complicated in a way, which we can spend more time to talk about it. Basically, we are looking at some of the audience retentions, how much time your students are spending on your video. Now, of course, my video right now is set as a public view, okay? Everyone can view it. If you set it as a selected group, people only with the link can watch it, you can getting a better analysis of who or when your student is watching your particular video. And that is very important, and are they finishing the video as well. Now, under the engagement tab, it is where you would find your card element being displayed. Now, at this point, I don't have any card element display yet because I just put up my card functions not too long ago, and YouTube average takes about 48 hours to compile some of these data for you guys. Alright, you can also look at audience, that is subscribing it or something like that, which we can talk about those later on. Alright, so that is a very brief overview of the what I like about using YouTube to deliver my teaching content. Okay, in the upcoming videos, we'll dive into how to do certain things, how I do certain things when I create some of these content. So in the video, I just show you guys how I use some of the common feature YouTube provide to all creators to create some of the semi-interactive content with my students. So this is new to me, and and really I haven't gotten any analytics yet to see how effective they are. And in the next video or in the next few videos, I'm going to share some of the nitty-gritty details of how these come out. Okay, and if you want to know more about this topic along with other content that I created, including some of the product reviews, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.